Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's our topic is linear differential equation of first order. Working rule: to solve the linear equation dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Then integrating factor if is equals to e power integration of p of x dx. Then general solution is y into integration factor equal to integration of q of x into if dx plus c. If means integrating factor. Similarly, when the equation is in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x is equals to q of y, integrating factor equal to e power integration of p of y dy. Then general solution is x into if is equals to integration of q of y into if dy plus c. Okay, and remember following results which are useful in evaluating some integrals directly. That is, integration of t e power t dt equal to t minus 1 into e power t plus c, and integration of t e power minus t dt equal to minus of t plus 1 into e power minus t plus c. Note this, you have to remember this. Okay, let us solve some problems. Okay, here find the integrating factor of the following equation: dy by dx plus xy equal to x. And here given for problems, let us solve these problems. First problem, solution. The given equation is a linear equation in y. Okay, the given equation is linear in y. Dy by dx, dy by dx plus x y equal to x. The given equation is linear in y. Then dy by dx plus px into y equal to q of x. Then p of x equal to x, q of x is equals to x. Then integrating factor is e power p of x dx, e power x dx. Then e power x square by 2. We know that integration of x is x square by 2. Here given that find the integrating factor, and also we can solve the general solution. General solution is y into if is equals to integration of q of x into if dx. So y into e power x square by 2 equal to q of x is x into e power x square by 2 to dx. Let x square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x dx is equals to dt. X dx is equals to 1 by 2 dt. Substitute. Let equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. Y into e power t by 2 equal to e power t by 1 by 2 dt. That is, y into e power t by 2 equal to 1 by 2 integrate 1 by 2 into integration of e power t by 2 dt. Integration of e power ax dx is e power ax by a plus c. That is 1 by 2 into e power t into 1 by 2 by 2. That means a here a equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into e power t by 2 by 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 into 2 e power t by 2. 2 to cancel. It is e power t by 2. Y into e power t by 2. Therefore, t equal to x square. Y into e power x square by 2 equal to plus c plus c plus c plus c, sorry, e power x square by 2 plus c. Therefore, e power x square by 2 y into e power x square by 2 minus e power x square by 2 equal to c. E power x square by 2 into y minus 1 equal to c. This is required solution.